Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to put live wallpaper on iPhone lock screen. Live wallpapers can add motion and visual interest to your lock screen. On supported iPhone models and iOS versions, you can use live photos as animated lock screen wallpapers. So now, follow these steps to put a live wallpaper on your iPhone lock screen. To begin, unlock your iPhone and make sure you have a live photo saved on your device. Open the Settings app and tap Wallpaper. Select Add New Wallpaper. Tap Photos from the Wallpaper options. Tap on Collections. Find Live Photos Gallery and tap on it. Browse your photo library. Select the live photo you want to use. Adjust the image position and zoom if needed. Confirm that the live photo effect is enabled if available. Tap Add in the top right corner. Choose Set as Wallpaper Pair or customize the home screen separately. Lock your iPhone and test the wallpaper from the lock screen. Note, live wallpapers works best when created from high-quality live photos. If animation is unavailable, verify that your iPhone model and iOS version support the feature you want to use. You can change or replace your live wallpaper at any time through the Wallpaper Settings menu. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.